How to use slider revolution in WordPress. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to use slider revolution in WordPress. First of all, you need to bring your cursor here to the sidebar where it is written plugins and then click on add new, and in the search plugin search for smart slider 3 and click enter. So you need to install this plugin. Click on install now. Once it's installed, click on activate. Okay, so my plugin is installed now. Now I'll click on analyze and appear. Now scroll down and then click on go to dashboard. Scroll down again and here you need to click on new project. Again click on create a new project. From here you need to select your project type. I'll select slider as I want to make a slider, and from here I'll select simple as the carousel and showcase are available in pro version. From here you need to name your project. I'll type slider, and from here you need to select width and height, and the layout I'll select boxed layout and then I'll click on create. Okay, so my slider has been successfully created. Now you need to upload images in your slider. I'll just upload images. I'll add I'll add this image, this one and this one. Then I'll click select. So as you can see, these three images are added. I'll click on save and they are saved successfully. Now I'll copy the code. Then I'll go to pages, all pages, and I'll open it in new tab. From here I'll scroll down and I'll edit this home page. I'll scroll down again. Let's say I want to add my slider here, so I'll click on this plus icon and here I'll select this heading and I'll give it slider heading, and then I'll click enter and I'll paste the short code here, and then I'll click on update. Once it's updated, I'll click on view page. I'll scroll down and here you can see my slider has been added. This is how you can use slide revolution in WordPress. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.